In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to back up files stored in Google Cloud Storage using some trusted methods. We'll explore a range of solutions, from simple replication to fully automated backups, all designed to keep your data safe and easily recoverable. Let's start with our first approach, cross-bucket replication within GCS. Now, this method is perfect if you want regular backups with minimal hassle. Using Google Cloud's storage transfer service, you can set up a process to copy the contents of your primary bucket to another bucket. This could be either a new or an existing bucket, and it can even be located in a different geographical region if need be. This replication service is an internal solution, meaning there are no egress costs if the buckets are within the same region. Plus, it's designed to be secure and automated, making it a great choice for both real-time and scheduled backups, as well as offering geographic redundancy. All of these features make cross-bucket replication a reliable and straightforward choice for keeping your data safe. Next, we move on to utilizing command line tools, such as gsutil or gcloud storage for copying or syncing files. This approach is ideal for those comfortable with command line operations. If you're looking to perform manual or scheduled backups, you can use a command like gsutil mrsync rgs source bucket gs backup bucket. This command mirrors your source bucket to your backup bucket, ensuring that all files are correctly copied over. To automate this process, you can combine it with a scheduling tool such as cron on Linux or Task Scheduler on Windows. This setup allows you to back up your data at specific intervals without having to manually trigger the backup each time. It's both powerful and flexible, though it does require a bit of technical know-how to set up. Finally, let's take a look at third-party tools like rclone, Duplicity, or various commercial backup applications. rclone is incredibly versatile, offering synchronization between GCS and multiple cloud or local targets. It's lightweight, scriptable, and very popular among those who need a robust, custom backup solution. For users on Linux or Mac OS, Duplicity offers encrypted incremental backups that store data securely in GCS, providing an added layer of protection. On the commercial front, applications such as Iperius Backup, Retrospect, and MSP360 Backup offer user-friendly interfaces and easy integration with Google Cloud via generated access keys, which are S3 compatible. These tools are especially appealing if you prefer a graphical user interface to manage your backup tasks, and they often come with comprehensive support should you need assistance. In conclusion, each method has its own strengths, whether you're looking for simplicity, control, or advanced features. Choose the one that best suits your needs and feel confident that your data will be securely backed up and recoverable no matter what happens.